I know I shouldn't video this, but
As she's standing on the precipice of...
oh, we're gonna fall and this is gonna break. This is gonna break.
Well,
You think it's gonna break? I think it's gonna break.
I don't think it's going to break on you, but if it does, thank you for figuring it out for us.
Okay, I don't know that my 120 little body is
I mean,
well 140 with this pack,
you know
but
how, like, you feel fine.
oh,
but
it's
your body keeps
bouncing.
going.
It's bouncing. Oh, I made it. Woo!
Yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, that's a full swim.
Alright, it might. Rope. Like you did.
Come on, Chase, break it. Break it like you mean it. It's autumn. Whoa, it's autumn. It's November 2nd, 2019. Okay, if you break it, I want to tape it. Yes.
You feel like it could move.
You're gonna make it, I think. Don't! What are you doing? Everybody can cross that if you don't break it.
It's fine.
Oh my God. It's totally irresponsible. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
It's